Hi guys, welcome to Code Artisan Lab. This is video number 68 for learning management system in Django with ReactJs. In our previous video, we have implemented the change password in the student dashboard. Right now, in this video, I am going to start the work on notification system. Right. So how it will work? Whenever teacher add the assignment for the student, right? So whenever he add the assignment for the student, when student open the dashboard here. In the assignment section, can you see that this is in the sidebar? We will show the number, the notification number, right? And then whenever user click on the assignment, the notification will hide. Okay, it means he reads the notification for the assignments, right? So let's start to do this. And one thing more, this is not a live notification, because for the live notification implementation, we need to implement WebSocket with the Django channels. Okay, so we are not doing in this project. This will work as a refresh. If you want to see the live notification, so you can check the gym management project, right? So if you go to the playlist here, in the playlist you can check the gym management system. Here we are. So in this I have implemented the live notification, right? So let's start with the notification. So first of all, we need to create a model, right? So here we have a main and here we have a model. Okay, so let's go and start the notification. So this will work for all kind of notification, I mean for the assignment, for the anything. Okay, you can add any notification. You will see notifications model, right? So class notification models dot model, right? This will be notif text and this will be models dot text field, right? And then notif subject notification 4, right? So models dot, you can say char field, right? And then we can say notification created time, notification created time. So this will be auto field, right? So date time field auto. Okay, and if you are hearing the barking of dog, then please ignore that. Okay, because I can't do that anything for this. Okay, so I hope you are I'm audible properly, right? My voice is you can listen properly. Okay, so notification text, notification 4, notification notif status, or you can say read status. So this will be boolean field, right? Boolean field, and this will be default false, right? Default false. Okay, so notification from, we can say from, or 4, it's okay, 4. Okay, so now let's do this. Char field should have maximum length. Okay, so here, and then python 3 manage.py make migrations, right? So make migrations, and then python 3 manage.py migrate, right? So migrate, here we are. Okay, so we have now notification in the notification database, right? And let's add here in the model notification, right? And one thing more, let's add the here, this is 10 and this is notifications. Yeah, this is fine. Okay, so let's go to the panel. Oh, let's start the server again. Here we are, right? And then let's go to the admin. We have admin, then login as admin, right? So we have this. Okay, this is fine, no problem. Okay, so let's click here. Okay, so we have notification. We can add notif text, notif 4 and notif read status, right? If you want to change the field name, you can change it by with the like verbose name, right? So you can change here notification 4. This is an example for if you want to change the field name, right? Notification text, right? And actually we don't need the text, but we are adding here because we are not going to show the text anywhere. Notification status. Okay, so now it will show here like this, right? So this is name. Okay, so now let's add here the notification text. Actually we don't need the notification text. We don't need this notification text, right? So I'll remove this. I will make migration again and migrate, right, and run the server again, right? So we have this, and now notification 4, let's say assignment, okay, and save this, right? And now one thing more, we need to add here that who is sending the notification and who will receive this. So teacher equal to first of all let's remove the data, because if the data exists, then it will say that you have to add some teacher value. Okay, now we are okay. So models dot foreign key and then teacher, and then we will add on delete models dot cascade, right? So whenever teacher will be deleted, the related notification will also delete, right? And then student, and then here the data will be student, and everything is fine now. Okay, let's migrate this again, right? So sorry, we need to run the migration first. Yes, what is this student? Okay, but we have added removed the value. Actually, let's add a null. Okay, now let's make migrations. Okay, python 3 manage.py, but in no case it will be, in any case it will not be null value, right? So okay, now we have this data. So we need to run the server. Here we are, right? So let's refresh this page, add notification. So who is sending, who is receiving, right? Okay, that's fine, no problem, because notification subject, we can see notification subject, notification 4 teacher, notification subject actually, and one more thing, notification 4, right? So notification subject, in the subject we will add for the assignment, for the quiz, for anything. 4 means who is receiving the notification, student, teacher, right? So that I'm adding this. Okay, right? So migration. Okay, we need to add here null, because the value is table is already exist. Make migrations, migrate, run server, right? Let's see now. Okay, so teacher sending the notification to student Alex, and notification subject is assignment, notification for student, right? So save this. Okay, and yeah, this is fine. If you want to show all the data in the admin, then you need to add a class. Okay, in this notification I'm going to show you that how you can do that. Class notification admin, right? And this will be admin dot model admin. Okay, and this will be list display. What do you want to display, right? So here I want to display. What do you want to display means what fields you want to display. So first of all, teacher, right? So let's say notification subject, right? And notification for, right? And notification status. Okay, so this is okay. Now this will be equal to, right? Now if I refresh this page, it's showing nothing because we need to add this admin in the register model, right? So let's see now why this is happening. Not callable main notification. What is this? Notification subject status. Yeah, everything is fine. Let's see. Server refer to notification, which is not a callable function. Notif status. Oh, notif read status. Sorry. So assignment, this is for assignment and this is for student, and notif status is, you know, false. So this is showing false. We can say one more thing, ID here, right? So this is look like this. Okay, now suppose this student has been added. Currently we are adding this from the admin panel, but we will add this when student add the assignment, right? Because I just want to show you how it will look. Okay, so let's now show this notification here. Okay, because currently student not clicked here, so when he click, the notification will hide. I mean counting will be hide, right? So let's go here in the LMS API. Okay, LMS API, not in the LMS API, we will go in the front end section. Okay, so front end, source, component, user, and sidebar, right? And in the assignments here we will create span, right? And this will be class. Why this? Okay, so this will be class name equal to float end, and this will be 1 2 3, right? So it will look like this. Now add more classes, badge, bg, primary. So it will look like this, right? So one more thing, margin top 1, because yeah, this is fine, right? So now when user click on this, this will hide. Now we need to count this notification, right? So this will show on every page, right? So how we can fetch the data on every page? Okay, so let's see that thing. Okay, so yeah, let's see that how we can fetch, how we can count the data on every page, because when we click on the sidebar, when we click on the my course, only when the student will click on the assignments, then this will be we will add status as read for all the notification when he click on this. Okay, until he click, we should show the notification. This is notification, and we should show in the, you know, danger color maybe. Yeah, this is fine, right? So yeah, let's show the notification counting, right? Okay, so let's show the notification when we will assign the assignment to the student, right? Let's suppose this is the user dashboard. Let's go to the teacher dashboard here. Now the teacher dashboard, when we click on the my users, we have created the option for add assignment and assignments. So when the flow is, when we will add the assignment, automatically in the student dashboard here it will show 1 2 3 whatever we have added the assignment, and when the student click on this, the notification will hide. Like if I click on this, it will show as 0, and here it will show mark as done or completed or whatever, right? And in the teacher dashboard, teacher can see that the assignment mark is pending or done or whatever he has. Okay, so let's create the code for this. So first of all, I have opened the sidebar. In the sidebar, we need to show the counting of the notification, right? So if I go to the model, right, if I go to the model, we have a status here, right? And here in the view, let's not talk about the view currently, let's talk about this URL. So from this URL, it's usually saying fetch all notifications. So let's go to the URL. Here we have a URL and we are calling notification list. So let's go for the notification list. Here we are. Okay, in the notification list, I am overriding the get query set, and in this, with the help of the current student, I am fetching all the notification for the subject assignment and read status is false, right? So notification for student, subject is assignment, and student ID and false, right? And in the sidebar, we are here, we have a showing the length. Okay, so we are showing the length of the data. Okay, let's test this. So we have users, and let's add the assignment, and I am in the dashboard, right? Okay, so this is not a live, this is not with the web socket, as I have told you before. This is this will show if the page is refreshed. So let's add assignment. So I'll say assign 8, right? So copy, paste, and submit, right? So now if I refresh this page here, you can see that this is showing 1 now, right? And if I click the assignment, then it will hide. It means a student read all the assignment. So how we are doing? So when we are going to this assignment page, right? So this is add assignment, and in the user dashboard, here we have a student assignment, right? When we are in this assignment, right, here we have, so just a moment, when we are clicking on this, the my assignment, when we are fetching the assignment here, my assignment, I'm going to check this URL. Here we have a URL, my assignment list. I'll go to the view my assignment list here, and now in the get query set method, I'm updating the notification status true for this student, where notification for student and subject is assignment, right? So I'm making the status true, right? And last time we are making the status 1 when we are adding the assignment. So according to these three things, these three filters, and with the help of status, we are showing and making the assignment as a making the notification as a read notification, right? So if I click here, it will call this view. So if I click here, you can see that this is 0, right? So this is how it's working. Okay, so now when we are adding this, when we are adding the assignment, okay, when we are adding the assignment, in the response of add assignment, I am also adding the notification data, right, with the help of save notification. Here we are, right? So in the save notification, I am adding the data with the status false, where student is this and notification subject is assignment and 4 students, right? So if I calling this, I am calling this save notification, and here is a save notification. If I go to the view, and here we have, let's go in the last, here we have query set, where save notification. I'll go to the say this is notification list, and in this view it has a default create method which accept the posted data which I am posting as a form, teacher, notification, subject, student 4, and then it is saving in the database, right? So these are the this is the flow, this is the whole flow for the notification, right? So you can do one thing, you can also make notification from student to teacher, you can also do that, right? This is you can say a small assignment for you. So when you are clicking mark as done, then you can do that. Teacher receive the notification in his dashboard that in the my user panel, in the my user panel, when he click on that, and he can see the notification here, right? So when he click on that, when he click on the assignments particularly, then the notification will be hide, right? So this task you can done. Okay, so yes, in this video I'm just going to I have explained you that how the notification is worked, right? And in the next video, right, in the let's say we have few things that we need to do. First of all, the popular course and the popular teachers and the student testimonial, right? So this is this will fetch from, we will fetch from this our rating. Okay, so student testimonial we will fetch from the rating, and popular course we can fetch according to the rating we have already, and popular teachers we have not implemented the rating for the teacher, so we will remove this and just show the popular teachers, right? According to, you can say, most of the content who created the who created the more content, we will show in this popular teachers. Okay, so we will show that filter. Okay, and then we will complete the quiz system. I'll explain you that what we will complete. Okay, so let's meet in the next video, and I hope you will subscribe my channel and like my video, and please follow me on GitHub and Instagram and Facebook. Facebook is not, I'm updating regularly, but GitHub is updating regularly, and you can support me via PayPal or Razorpay and send me your email ID. I'll give you the source code of any of the project you want, and then one of the project you can say, and yes, you can also join the membership. The same thing will happen, the small support and with the join membership, right? So thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope this helps you. Thank you.